Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, July the 5th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles. Yes, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. Those are the tectonic with 4 stars and the binary. Yes, it's a binary time. And this one will be number 6707. Yeah, 6707. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. 14. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. And an O between an O and a 1 with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so the rest are ones. Yeah. And an O between an 1 and an O with two empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So that box should be a 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And I know, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the fourth one, then we have 3 O's in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. If I place the fourth O here, 1, 2, 3, 4, then we still have 3 O's in a last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. No. This cannot be a 1. This should be an O then. Yeah. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3. Oh, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O, sorry. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Finish in 4 minutes. Well. Yeah, I like this one. Yes, I really do. Without comparing. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. The tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye-bye for now.